Welcome to this video where we will learn how to create a Facebook page from scratch. First, we will log in to our Facebook profile. We're gonna click on pages and create a page. Then we will go to ChatGPT and ask him, I will create a Facebook page where I will share recipes and cooking tips. Give me 10 names for it. Now we have 10 names for our page. We will select one. I will select the Savory Secrets. We will use it as our page name. We will select the category cooking. For the bio, we will ask ChatGPT again. Give me a bio with 200 characters. We will take the bio and put it in our page. Create page. We will wait a moment. Now we have to fill this form, the website. We're gonna put the page name, Savory Secrets. We're gonna add the extension as a website .net. For the phone number, we will go to Google Maps and search for New York restaurants. We'll select maps. We will choose one restaurant. To take their phone number. We will use it. And we're gonna change one number to avoid disturbing the restaurants. The email, we will put our page name. Like this, gmail.com. The address, we will take the restaurant address again. We need to fill everything on this form. The town, New York. Copy. The zip code, we have it here. The hours, always open. We will click on next. Now for the profile picture, we will go to ChatGPT again and ask him to give us a prompt. Give me a prompt to generate a profile picture. for my page, and I will be more specific, make it for a woman chef. Now I have the prompt to generate my profile picture. I will take this prompt and I will go to my website, ideogram.ai, here where I generate AI pictures. I will wait 30 seconds to generate my profile picture. You can sign up to this website for free. Here are my pictures. I used to use many AI tools, but Ideogram is the best one to generate characters. I will download my page. PNG is paid, so I will take it to my Facebook. Not here. Add profile picture. Download. Select the image. Now I have to add a cover photo. To generate my cover photo, I will use canva.com. Create a design. In the search bar, I will look for Facebook cover. It gives me many examples and templates to work on. In the search bar, I will write recipes. I have many templates here. I will use this one. I do this in a fast way. You can make yours as you want. Here I have a cover photo. I will download my image from here. And I will drag it. Here I finished both pictures. Next. Here they ask for a WhatsApp number. There is no need. Skip. If you want to invite your friends. Next. Done. And here we are. We have a fully new page created from scratch, ready for use. As you can see, the page health is good. That's why we had to fill out all the form. All our information is here. That was all in this video, and see you in the next one.